Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. So today we'll be doing your English part B, English unit 8 part A reading half the price. So in previous class we have studied how the gatekeeper has stopped this fisherman when he wished to meet the Raja and asked him half the price, whatever the reward he will be getting. So on that after thinking a lot, the fisherman agreed to pay the half of the price whatever he gets from the Raja. So finally he was able to meet the Raja after a lot of discussion between him and the gatekeeper. So while he when he was finally able to meet the Raja, he honored the respect. He paid his respects to the Raja and finally presented him the fish that he caught on that day. Now I shall be continuing the lesson. Please have a look. Raja, what is your name, my man? Fisherman, my name is Jalraj, your highness. Raja, I have heard of you. All fishermen respect you and say that you are the wisest among them. I respect all good wise men among my people, so please sit down and tell me everything about this fish. Fisherman, it is a fish that lives in a deep sea far below the surface of the water. It sometimes comes up and jumps several feet above the water. It came up this morning and fell into my net. Now it is here before you. Send it to your cooks immediately and you will enjoy your dinner today. Raja, stay for the dinner and enjoy it with us, my man. I invite you to dine in the palace today. Now what shall I give you in return for this gift? Fisherman, nothing, your highness. Your highness and everybody in the palace must enjoy my gift. This is all I want. Raja, no, that is not enough. You must take something in return. Fisherman, then will your highness give me anything I ask for? Raja, yes, anything. So on this, again when Raja, what is your name, my man? So on this, fisherman replied, I am Jalraj, your highness. So Raja said, oh, I have heard about you among all the fishermen. You are the wisest among all of them, and the wise people are my favorite. Okay, are my favorite kind of people. Now will you tell me about this fish that you brought it? So now the fisherman describes the fish that he brought it, that it lives in the deep waters. Okay, it lives in the deep waters and it only comes up and sometimes it jumps several feet above the water level. But this morning when it was doing this activity, it luckily fell into the net, and henceforth I brought this fish for you. So on this, fisherman said, yes, fine. Now Raja said, oh, okay. On this, again fisherman said, please call your cook, give him this fish to cook and you must enjoy your dinner. So on this, Raja said that, oh, please wait and enjoy this dinner with us. Raja said to the fisherman. So fisherman said, no, I want you and the palace people to enjoy this dinner with you. That's all I really want. Raja said, no, what you want, let me know. So on this, first of all, fisherman disagreed and he said, no, I don't want anything. Again, Raja insisted, no, say whatever you want, I will give you. So fisherman said, like, you will give me whatever I want. So Raja said, yes, I will give you anything. Now, fisherman, please order your men to give me 200 lashes with a whip on my back. Raja, what a strange request this is. People say you are a wise man, but I don't think your request shows any wisdom. What fun will you get out of the lashes on your back? Fisherman, you and your men can get some fun watching the man lashing me. Raja, but I don't want to have such fun. Ask me for something else. Fisherman, I do not wish for anything else, your highness. Raja, all right then, you will have your lashes. Are you ready for them? Fisherman, yes, I am, your highness, but please call your gatekeeper. The Raja sent his men to the gatekeeper and few months later he appeared. Fisherman, your highness, please give this man 100 lashes, one out of the 200 lashes that you have promised me. Gatekeeper, what, 100 lashes? What must I share? I share this punishment with you. Fisherman, we agreed to divide the price of the fish between us. You wanted half of anything I got from the Raja in return for it. I am getting 200 lashes from it, and half of the 200 is 100. Raja, not 100. Give the gatekeeper all the 200 lashes and dismiss him from my service. I feel ashamed because I kept such a bad servant in all these days. You are indeed very wise and my good fisherman. So fisherman said that yes, then please, on the request of Raja, fisherman said then please give me the 200 lashes from the whip. Now the Raja was very confused. He said, what a strange request it is. Do you want a I cannot give you 200 lashes. Ask me for something else. So on that, our gatekeeper's fisherman said that no, I want 200 lashes. Will you please give me it? So he said, like Raja said that everyone said you are a wise man, but I doubt on your wisdom. How can you be a wise man, and what fun is it to get a 200 lashes on your back? So on that he said, the fisherman said that I may not have the fun, but you and your people will have fun watching me this. So on this again, get Raja first like declined his request. Later on requesting, Raja accepted. He said, okay, I'll give you 200 lashes, and he called his men to give. So before now, the fisherman interrupted the Raja and said that, yeah, before giving me the lashes, please call the gatekeeper. Please call the gatekeeper. So the gatekeeper was called, and he said that, fisherman, please, he'll say, your highness, please give my 100 lashes out of the 200 to the gatekeeper. Now gatekeeper was surprised, why on the what on the earth will I divide your punishment with? So again on this fisherman said, like, you have agreed to divide the reward for the prize that I am going to get with in return of this fish. So henceforth I am getting this punishment. You are going to get 100 lashes, and I am going to get 100 lashes. Fisherman explained. So on that Raja said that not 100 lashes, but the gatekeeper will be getting all the 200 lashes, and he dismissed him from the service. And the Raja apologized to the fisherman. I am sorry for the men I kept in my service, and I feel ashamed because I kept him in my service for several years. Now you are such a indeed wise man and very good, my good fisherman. The man was trying to cheat you. You have very clearly brought punishment on him. I wish to give you a good reward for your cleverness and wisdom. Ask me anything. Fisherman, I have a daughter. I must soon give her away in marriage. I am very poor. Raja, bring here the bridegroom of your choice. I shall get her married. Fisherman, I thank your highness. Now the Raja was very much surprised with the wisdom that fisherman has got. He said, like, the man was trying to cheat you, but you cleverly brought punishment to him, and I wish you to give a good reward for this. So fisherman said, I have a daughter that I need to be married, that give her away in marriage, but I am very poor and I cannot afford a marriage. So Raja said, bring here the bride and groom of your choice. Bring here bridegroom of your choice, and I shall get her married. So fisherman said, thank you, your highness, and he left. So on this, the wisdom that our Raja, a fisherman had, was appreciated by Raja, how cleverly he brought the punishment to the gatekeeper without any doubt. The gatekeeper could get, and finally what he wished for was also came true. So this was a little story about fisherman and his wisdom, and how finally he was able to away his daughter in the marriage. Hope you all understood. I shall continue in the next class. Allah Hafiz students.